Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making this classic, moist, very rich, healthy carrot cake. What makes it healthy is the carrots in the cake. Very rich and very delicious. So I'm going to start off by grating the major ingredient, which is the carrots. And after that, we're mixing the dry ingredients, starting with coconut sugar, nutmeg, powdered milk, some baking powder, salt, and all-purpose flour. So I just put in my coconut sugar, powdered milk into my mixing bowl, nutmeg, and the baking powder I'll add to the flour, the salt as well. So I'm just going to sieve the flour and the baking powder. Sieving the flour tends to really change the texture of the cake, so it's very important to sieve. Next, we're mixing the wet ingredients. So I'm going to start off with the eggs. I'm using 3 eggs and some canola oil. I just added some browning and I'm going to quickly whisk that together. Now it's time to incorporate the dry ingredients with the wet. So I'm just going to mix till I finish all the flour. And right here I have some dried cranberry and some raisins. Also I have some cranberry juice. Feel free to add any liquid of your choice. And I'm just giving that a quick mix. Now it's time to add the major ingredient, which is the carrots. So I'm going to add and just mix everything together. So at this point, I'm just going to grease my pan and line it up with parchment paper. Also, I'm adding some cashew nuts to my mixture. And that's the last. So feel free to add some vanilla flavor or cinnamon if you like. Now it's done. I'm just going to take it, send it into the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And here it's done. This is our carrot cake. Very moist, very delicious, and very rich as well. So if you notice, we have a lot going on inside just this one cake, with the carrots, the raisins, the cashews, The cranberry, you can tell that it's really rich and very delicious. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Feel free to share my videos and click on the notification. Also subscribe if you haven't. Look at that, so gorgeous and so moist. So thank you and bye.